Hello everyone, I hope everybody is doing great. I get a lot of requests on how to generate material data from stress strain curves for ABAQUS or ANSYS. So I just made a simple engineering tool which can analyze your stress strain data and can identify material properties like Young's modulus, yield strength, ultimate tensile strength, and can also give you the plastic part of the curve, which you can then directly use either in your ABAQUS simulation as a material data card or in ANSYS material card. So it's very simple. You go to my website, which is either www.professor3mac.com, or you can directly go to my, which is also redirected to amirsiddiq.com, so you can go there as well. Once you are there, you can see there are quite a lot of sections here. So engineering tools is a section or website or web page where you have to go. If you are interested in finding some scholarships, then I also do a lot of scholarship stuff as well, so you can go and look for different types of scholarships as well. So I make videos with links and also have some blog posts on different recent scholarships which will be available almost on daily basis. Also, you can download most of the models which I upload, so you can always download for free again. And if you want to donate so that this website keeps on running, then you can donate something as well. So I will come back to what we want to do today. So it's engineering tool you have to go in this case. And the first tool which you will see is the stress strain curve analyzer. So what you will have to do, you might have experimental data in terms of CSV file from experiments. You just choose the file. Let's say I have this file for titanium. I will upload that file here and then I will analyze. So what it will do is just click off a button. It gives you the Young's modulus, yield strength based on 0.2% proof strain theory and UTS values, and also it gives you the input cards for ABAQUS and ANSYS. So this is the elastic card and this is the plastic card. Since there is no way to compute the Poisson's ratio because we are not giving any data strain, it's just the stress strain data in the CSV file. So this is just approximated value. So if you know the actual value, you can change it here. And also at the end, it gives you the instruction on how to use in ABAQUS. So you have to go to the property module, create a new material there, and then include the elastic card, and then copy paste these values for elastic ones, Young's modulus and Poisson's ratio, and then you create a plastic card clicking on the plastic button, and then you can paste the whole of this plastic part of the curve. And similarly for ANSYS, you have the material cards for ANSYS, and again it gives you the guidance. So you can use MP to define the elasticity, then you use TB plastic and TBPT for plasticity, and then assign with material 1 in your element definition. This is the curve which I have used, so it gives you the nice plot of the curve as well. You can see in experiment there were some issues in measurements, and it can eliminate those errors while computing all this. So all the outliers are not considered in all these calculations and data generation which is done in the model. So I hope you find it useful. It is only for metals right now, but if you want it for some other materials or other temperature or strain rates, then comment below, and I will further expand it and create more tools, or maybe same tool can be expanded for more capabilities as well. If you want any other similar tool, because this is a repetitive exercise, we do a lot in materials modeling, so it saves us a lot of time, and I hope it will save you a lot of time as well. Have a good day. Do like and subscribe the video and channel, and if you have any questions, always welcome to ask. All the best.